together.
Yeah, I saw that because they were together on a picture.
Oh, Squeak likes her. Who's that, Squeak? They're a baby. Who's a new baby girl? Caroline, huh? Who's a baby girl? Squeak, who is it? Who is it, boy? Bouncy hair.
It's healthy.
Healthy hair. Nice shine.
She's a proper person.
She's proper?
Yeah, because she's like princess of the thing.
She's so proper.
Like you?
She's very proper.
You're right, she is like a princess actually.
She is.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty. Squeak, you like Caroline?
I want to feel her, real her.
You're Caroline, boy. That's your new sister. Caroline. Say hi to her.
Her
Say hi to
underwear,
her.
she has underwear on.
She does?
A long kind.
Long underwear? Tights? Oh, high, knee highs? Knee high socks?
I like these shoes.
Yeah, they're
So
cute.